Hi everyone, I'm Gaurav and this is eSahayak, a legal documentation platform where you can draft any legal document for your company, for your employees, for your property, and also attach stamp papers to it and also sign it digitally. So let's see how it works. It's very simple to use eSahayak. Just click on create document button, search for the document. For example, I want to make a employment agreement. So all these templates which are available on eSahayak are made by experts in the relevant field. So with this employment agreement, I will just click on create employment agreement button. It is preparing my employment agreement. I will fill up all the details which are required. So for example, I want to make a employment agreement for one of our employee named Sarvesh and his father's name is Mustafa. His address is, let's suppose, Chandigarh, India. And the phone number is required for e-signatures if you want it. So let's suppose I am putting a phone number of the employee named Sarvesh Kumar so that he can receive a link to sign the document. So all these details which are of your company have to be entered only once. So in my case, I have entered PUDU as the name of the company, and there are some other details which are already pre-filled. Now I am going to enter my company website. All of these details will be printed on the document being prepared on the right hand side. So let's put the number which is required for authorized representative signature. Just click on next. Now define the package of this employee. Let's say it is 5 lakhs 00000, and number of vacations granted to the employee is 22 days. Position offered is, let's suppose, manager of sales. And now you can enter the responsibility. For example, the first responsibility is sales targets and then customer handling. You can enter any responsibility and all those responsibilities will be visible here. Now let's move forward. In case of termination, the termination clause can be updated. For example, in case of termination employee from your side or resignation of employee, it can be with 30-day period. Now you can specify the probation period. It is optional. You can mark 0 as well. In that case, that clause will disappear from the document. Okay, so now go next. Now, since employment agreements are recommended to be made on stamp paper, I need to tell the date of this agreement, the place where this agreement is made, and the state where this agreement is made. For example, the state is Chandigarh, or the place, the city is also Chandigarh. Okay, so let's submit it. Now, whatever stamp duty is applicable for all these details in Delhi or in Chandigarh, whatever selected, eSahayak is going to recommend you that. Okay, so you see, 100 rupees stamp paper is recommended for employment agreement. So the drafting fees of employment agreement is 0, and the stamp duty is 149, in which 49 is our commission fee. Now, if you want e-signatures or you want to deliver it to the customers, to the doorstep of your employee, you have all those options available here. So I'm just going to add e-signature. So e-signature by PDU and e-signature by Sarvesh Kumar. After adding these e-signatures, just click on continue button. Similarly, you can make any other document, attach stamp papers to it, sign it digitally. So since my order contains a payment because I need to buy a stamp paper, so I'm going to just make this payment from my phone using UPI or card or any other method, and then someone from the backend will buy the stamp paper and attach it, and you will be having a full and final agreement ready to be signed. So right now I don't want to make this payment. I'm canceling it. I will remove the stamp duty from here and I will continue so that I can show you how the e-signature functions will work here. So since the order has been completed now, there will be two signature links which will be sent to this phone number, right? So Sarvesh Kumar's phone number and employer's phone number. I will show you now how this entire e-signature flow looks like. It is very beautiful. So for that, I'm copying this link of Pudio and I'm going to paste it here. So anyone who will receive this link on email or on WhatsApp for their signature will see this kind of a preview. So once they read the agreement, they say, okay. So now they click on the button, fill and sign. They accept that the mark which they are going to make is going to be treated as their digital signature. So let's suppose here I want to sign as PDF, I can also upload the signature or change the ink color. Okay. Now click on done and now click on submit. Similarly, so Pudu has signed and now we can see Sarvesh Kumar has not signed yet. So let's go and get Sarvesh Kumar's link. These links have been sent on WhatsApp as well. Okay. So now Sarvesh Kumar is going to sign the document. Let's click on fill and sign, accept, and I enter Sarvesh and let's click on done. Let's click on submit. And once submitted, since both the parties have signed now, a PDF along with the signatures signed digitally will be generated and delivered to both the parties. And that PDF will also be available to download here. So here in few seconds, you will get a button from where you can download your signed PDF. And for any kind of support, you can simply click on chat with us and you will be able to speak with our representative regarding this order. So now the PDF is available and this is how it looks. So thank you for watching.